Complying with regulations for moving freight and tracking it from in your warehouse to in transit across the ocean can be complicated enough. The accounting has to be integrated with all the steps or it can get out of hand fast. One of the key differences between Magaya and other software is how we connect the accounting to the logistics transactions. From the beginning of the process to the end, everything is connected. For example, if your workflow begins with a quote for a customer, that quote and all its charges can be carried over to the next step, whether that is reserving space in a booking, picking up or receiving items, creating a shipment, or the invoice. This ensures the amount you quoted is not lost. The quotation is just one example. The connection is in all of our transactions. One important need our customers have is to liquidate their shipments. You have the choice to liquidate each house one at a time, or liquidate all the houses at once. If a vendor bill arrives before you finish the shipment, you can add it to the shipment with no problem. You can issue credit memos to agents so you don't have to write them a check. If your agent is collecting for you, you can provide all the accounting services to them all in one invoice document. If you work with CAS for paying airline carriers, send one check with all the charges. The shipment liquidation screen lets you see all the accounting for your shipment the way you want it in one screen. You can automate profit sharing for agents and salespersons so the system calculates it for you. You can determine the time you want to generate all the transactions for a shipment by selecting the date of your choice, such as the date of departure. This means all of your accounting and operational reports will be synchronized in perfect harmony. Because all of the data is connected, you can create a profit and loss by operations report, a unique feature that shows each operations transaction for any time period with associated income, expense, and profit coming from the related accounting transactions. You can also see profits by customer, salesperson, and by agent. Some of the automation features include recurrent transactions, periodic invoicing, and automated freight rates. Set your system to include specific charges on certain transactions, such as a documentation fee on every shipment, to ensure that revenue is not lost. Magaya includes a complete chart of accounts. You can reconcile your bank account and credit card accounts. You can work with more than one currency if you need to, create journal entries, and much more. If you connect to another accounting system, we have integrations to enable that. You can also create flat files or EDI connections. The benefits extend to your customers too. They can pay their invoices online so you get paid faster. Create accounting reports to see what's due, customize the reports, and then save them. There are a lot of options, and the system is flexible to allow you to work the way you want. See the other videos to learn more.